Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me here at Genesis 11. This video is part of a series of educational videos, and today we're going to speak about oil trading. So oil, of course, is one of the most attractive assets to trade today in the market. Everybody's trading oil because of the corona crisis and because of supply cuts from OPEC and a lot of different things. It's a very volatile asset. I think that oil, together with Bitcoin, are the most attractive assets to trade today in the market. And today I'm going to show you how to find oil on the Genesis 11 platform and what exactly can we do on the platform taking advantage of oil movements. So after you logged in and signed up in your Genesis 11 platform, you can start trading oil. I suggest everybody log in right now to your platform, grab a piece of paper and a pen, and I'll show you how to find oil on the Genesis 11 platform. So let's take a look. This is the Genesis 11 platform where you can find a lot of different assets. The chart that you see in front of you right now, of course, is Bitcoin, which is our top asset that folks trade on the platform. But besides Bitcoin, of course, as I mentioned, we have oil. And oil has been on a very strong ride this year with the corona crisis. Let's take a look how to find oil. So there are two kinds of oil assets in the market today. One is crude and the other is Brent. And the way to find crude, which is the American oil, is WTI. So I want you guys to write down, if you want to trade the American crude oil, that's WTI. So I'm going to click on the search field here, WTI, and then you get crude oil. You can see trading very nicely at $53 a barrel. You can see that on the left side of the screen. If I click on the chart below the price, a new chart is going to open right there with oil. If I want to look at Brent, so all I got to do is click Brent here, and this is the international benchmark for oil. You can see it trading at $55 a barrel, and I can open a Brent chart there too. I can also take these charts off if I want and just leave the oil charts there. So you can see here on the left side WTI and on the right side Brent. And of course, oil trading is very attractive because these assets are very volatile. They can move very strongly upwards and they can move very strongly downwards. Another way to find oil on the platform is you go to the drop down here on the left side of the screen and you look for energy. So I'm going to go to energy, and on the energy drop down, you're going to find all the different energy assets that we have on the platform, and that is Brent, of course, and also natural gas. You can see here, this is the N gas, natural gas. So folks, oil trading on Genesis 11 platform, take advantage, and I'll see you in future sessions.